How do we trade healthcare? The question is simple. Maybe the answer is not so simple. Tim.
It's not simple because it's complex. This is going to take years to play out in terms of policy. What we've, I think, argued on this desk is that the headlines are not necessarily the follow through. I look at, say, a Pfizer who's already been indicted in the stock market. And I do mean in terms of the valuation over the last really year and a half in terms of their vaccine profile. And this is a company that spent a lot of money getting deeper into oncology, investing in their pipeline. And so, I tend to look at this as an opportunity. I don't know that you have to go jumping in. I think we've often seen at times, it's interesting, usually the buildup and the headwinds against healthcare come in the lead up to the election, typically, as opposed to the post-op. And this is what it feels like when you get it, when policy is still uncertain. So look, we've had actually a nice recovery in some of the GLP names. When you look at the names that have been most under pressure and you talk about the healthcare business and what's been going on in that space, it's not surprising there's some reprisal in the market here. And you need some catalyst to the upside. Right now, we're waiting for earnings season. How about valuations that ultimately, in many of these cases, look pretty interesting? Yeah,
sentiment is so terrible when it comes to this space. Yes. Once upon a time, it was defensive, and now it's got every single... it's a bipartisan. All these issues are bipartisan issues. That's the issue. That's the problem, right, with these policy efforts. Yes, that's true, and that is clearly weighing on the whole sector. But I think that I agree with everything that Tim said. This is, these headlines are kind of sensational, and it's not surprising that the stocks would react. And one other that we didn't include in that is Merck with Gardasil. That's a really important product. So that's the HPV vaccine. And I think I long the space, as we know. It is the H in my helm trade, XLE. But I think that I think you brought up the other day this idea of why are we seeing MLR ratios so high, right? And then some of the healthcare names not doing well. Where is that medical loss ratio spend going? Right. Somewhere. So there's a bit of a disconnect there to me. I'm staying long. It's been frustrating for sure. But we also haven't seen the pushback from the lobbyists yet, which we know will happen or is happening under this, we don't
Big Pharma historically, it's it feels like Big Pharma historically has controlled Washington. So you're right.
Right. So we haven't seen that yet. We don't know if it's happening, quietly, but it will happen at some point.
Well, so fact from what we think is going to happen. He's already said that he's not totally going to do away with vaccines. Actually, RFK said he's not going to do away with vaccines.
Whatever is on the market is basically what he said. Whatever's going to take away vaccines.
And he also said, I want more transparency. I don't want, if vaccines work for you, have at it, right? Sounds like Dan. No, but so you're not going to get that taken away. Are there going to be new ones? So your point is the new ones that are coming to market. I think there's going to be more of a transparent process because Big Pharma, to Tim's point, has run D.C. They've run over everyone. Everyone is in. It's sort of odd because you said it's bipartisan. Everyone's against Big Pharma, but Big Pharma pays every politician. So I think we're all getting a little presumptuous that he's going to do away with vaccines. That's not going to happen. mRNA, 95% of their revenue is from vaccines. So they have to figure out, let's get away from COVID and figure out what other things you want to get into. But the problem is no one wants a COVID vaccine. No one wants a flu vaccine. And they put them together now. So now you have two things that people don't want as the main source of your revenue. So if you're a GLP, you're okay.